Number 5. February 2020, Mexico. Two wildlife photographers, Logan Howard and Aaron Pizant, were on vacation in Mexico when their peaceful trip took a terrifying turn. The pair, who run the YouTube channel Out Off the Trail, are known for chasing storms, filming tornadoes, and documenting natural disasters. But this time, they weren't chasing danger. Danger found them. While searching for native birds in the swamplands, a speeding vehicle suddenly approached from behind. Within seconds, multiple armed men jumped out and surrounded them, believed to be members of the Mexican cartel. The tourists were held at gunpoint, unsure if they'd make it out alive.
Oh my God, they have guns. Jesus,
go,
no, please, what? Please, what? Please, what? No, Espanol, please. We're just... Please.
Miraculously, they were left unharmed, physically at least. The pair were shaken to their core, trembling in fear, as any of us would be. Eventually, the men let them go, explaining that travelers needed to clear their route before taking the road ahead. Since the footage was released, viewers have debated what really happened that day. Some believe the gunmen weren't cartel members at all, but locals trying to protect outsiders from entering a dangerous area. Others think the photographers narrowly avoided witnessing something they were never meant to see. Whatever the truth may be, this encounter serves as a chilling reminder. When traveling off the beaten path, always know where you're going. And sometimes, it's better not to. What do you think was really going on here? Let us know your theory in the comments below. Number 4. February 2020, Chile. A quiet afternoon. A pickup truck pulls into a highway turnaround lane. Nothing unusual, until the car in front suddenly comes to a stop. Two men jump out, one of them armed, pointing a handgun straight at the driver. In a matter of seconds, a calm drive turns into a life-or-death situation. Most of us would freeze in fear. But this driver doesn't. He shifts into reverse, only to see another vehicle behind him, trapped with nowhere to go. There's only one option left: forward. He slams the accelerator, crashing straight into the car, blocking the lane and forcing his way through to safety. Fortunately, the driver escaped unharmed. The clip was uploaded online, quickly went viral, and was handed over to police. Not long after, the real owner of the Citroën C5 Aircross came forward on social media, identifying the vehicle as hers. It had been stolen just days before the attempted ambush. While full details of the suspects remain unknown, authorities note that this kind of ramp stop or ambush is part of a growing trend in Chile. A dangerous tactic where criminals block roadways to trap unsuspecting drivers. Number 3. March. In the middle of the chaos, the traffic light ahead turned green. Ralph's cab didn't move. And what the gunmen didn't realize was that a police cruiser was stopped directly behind them.
Gonna hurt you. Just give me everything you got. Sir, I don't have anything in my wallet. I don't carry your wallet and your phone. I need your wallet. No, please don't give me my phone. I need that for my... There's a cop.
Officer behind noticed the cab sitting still at a green light. His instincts kicked in. Deputy Terry Ely decided to investigate. As he approached the vehicle, it became clear what was happening: an armed robbery in progress. Eli drew his weapon, ordering the suspect to drop the gun and step out. The stunned gunman, 18-year-old Victor Martinez Herrera, was taken into custody on the spot. The weapon he'd been using? A pellet gun. Not a real firearm, but the danger felt every bit as real. Martinez Herrera was charged with robbery, terroristic threats, assault, and possession of a prohibited weapon. Ralph was shaken, but unharmed, and his dashcam footage quickly went viral across the internet. As Ralph told the officer moments later, "You're a lifesaver." And in this case, that's not an exaggeration. Luck was on Ralph's side that day. A police officer just happened to be right behind him when it all went down. Number 2, January 2020, Nuevo Laredo, Mexico. A man and his wife had just crossed into the border. Shortly after, a normal drive would turn to something far more nefarious. As they pulled up to a traffic light, they noticed multiple cars blocking the road and a large group of men standing around them. At first, it seemed they were being waved through. The men parted, motioning for the driver to continue forward. But in a split second, another car cut in front of them, trapping their vehicle between 3 others. The group closed in, pulling at the door handles, pounding on the windows, surrounding the couple completely.
It's the cartel.
Yeah.
The group wasn't giving up easily. They swerved in front of the couple's car, trying to cut them off, even attempting to collide with them to force them to stop. But the driver stayed calm, thwarting their every move, maneuvering skillfully through each attempt to trap them. His quick thinking and steady hands may have been the only reason they made it out alive. A fortunate ending to an extremely terrifying situation. These types of groups are not uncommon in parts of Mexico, often linked to organized crime and cartel activity. They typically target tourists, pickup trucks, and transport vehicles carrying cargo, which can be resold or stripped for parts within hours. That same morning, local authorities reported multiple carjackings and robberies along the same stretch of road, suggesting this couple narrowly avoided becoming a statistic. Number 1, January 2022, Byron Bay, Australia. 2 Australians were driving down the highway when a car suddenly came speeding up behind them, swerving recklessly before cutting in front of them. At first, it looked like a case of road rage, but then they noticed something far more alarming: an axe waving out the window, the driver screaming threats and clearly unhinged.
Oh, he's got an axe, dude. Like, he's got an axe. Like, stay. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh, fuck off. Keep distance, bro. Oh, are you ready, Chucky? Are you here?
He signals them to pull over, but they speed off instead. A smart decision.
Go.
Bro, call the cops.
Yeah.
Call them out.
Yeah. Bro, this car is fucking the head. Just go to the cop shop. Don't stress. Oh!
Fuck me.
Keep driving. Holy fuck.
Fuck me. Call the cops.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna ram us again, bro.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, keep going. Just keep. Oh my god.
Fucking hell. Call him.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, keep going. Just keep. Oh my god.
Fucking hell. Call him.
He rammed their car again and again, trying to force them off the road. In the chaos, he lost control, spinning off the highway and crashing into an embankment. It gave them just enough time to escape his ruthless rage. They drove straight to the nearest police station and reported what had happened. Police immediately launched a search, but the attacker was nowhere to be seen. Hours later, they found his vehicle abandoned, and the man himself walking along the roadside. He was arrested without incident. The perpetrator was a 47-year-old man from South Grafton. He was later charged and sentenced to prison for predatory driving and being armed with intent to cause harm, serving just 2 years behind bars, with a non-parole period of 10 months. The motive remains unclear. Reports indicate the attacker accused the victims of burglarizing his home the night before, even though they had never been anywhere near that area. A horrifying ordeal, and a chilling reminder that you can never predict when danger might find you. From terrifying road rage encounters to near-death robberies and high-speed chases, these stories are a chilling reminder of how quickly ordinary moments can turn into life-or-death situations. Which of these encounters shocked you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more real, heart-stopping footage from around the world, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep your eyes open.